Hi folks, welcome back to Anybody Can Code. Today we will discuss how to install Java and we will start the basic coding because lot of people are like more interested in like how the coding. So first we will be into the hello world or hello Java in the console. So no issues if you do not know anything. It is just like basic one. I will be covering the proper how to start Eclipse and all in a separate video. So in this video we will like install the Eclipse, then install the JDK files and then run a basic Java code to see if Eclipse are working. So once I will be doing in the video, then you will be doing in your personal PC or system when and what you are working. So mainly I will do for the Eclipse. Other ID I will be recording in a separate video. So let's get started. Right now I am in my computer screen, so let me open. I am in the Chrome, so let's search for Eclipse. Eclipse. Then Eclipse ID. So there will be a download 2009. Click on that. It is a free tool, so free ID. It will not cost you any money. So it is like for me it is Windows. Please select your operating systems. Maybe it is automatically selected by the browser itself. So once you click on this, it will download the yeah. There will be a download. It will be Win64. Yeah, it is automatically taking the download is started. I already have the Eclipse, so I will not download again. I will show how you have to install it. Once you have downloaded the Eclipse, then go to your system where do you like Eclipse is stored. Not here. So go to the system where Eclipse is stored. Have Eclipse here. Click on that. I do have a Eclipse in my system, so it will take less time. So I will not completely reinstall it because I do have Eclipse. So you also like have to go through the process. So if you are new system, then I think for Eclipse there is no need of loading the jar file. So we have to choose Eclipse ID for a Java developer or enterprise Java, but enterprise Java is for higher advanced level. There are Maven and other things. So first for the basic things you can go with the Eclipse ID for Java developers, then install this, then it will automatically like you have to check these two box, then install. It will automatically install and automatically add the jar files also, the JDK files also. Otherwise if you want to run the Java in command prompt, you have to use the JDK file. JDK, you have to download the JDK file, then you have to provide the path in the Windows Explorer. So I will show it in the separate video. So if once you have done with the installation of the Eclipse, once you open the Eclipse, there will be something like default Eclipse workspace. Mine will be looking little bit different because I have already worked on that. So yeah, I will like create a new workspace. It will be better for your understanding. So once you download the Eclipse and installed it, then create a new workspace for you. Like I will create anybody can code, then select folder and launch. So once you launch it, then there will be a welcome screen. My laptop is little bit slow because maybe it depends upon the RAM and the SSD or the hard disk in the laptop. So if you have a better PC, then it will work fine. But if PC is little bit slow, then it will take time. Yeah, there is a welcome screen. You can ignore this. Yeah. Now we will do a basic coding. Means printing the hello world in the console. So create a Java project. Name is hello world. I will be talking about naming convention in the next video. What are the keywords and all. So I will name the project as hello world. Yeah, you can create a module, but I don't need a module right now. It will be confusing to create module right now. So I will be doing the basic program like print statement only. So there will be some basic libraries added automatically, and there is a SRC folder. Inside the SRC folder, there should be we will be writing the Java class folder. So Java class codes. So create a new class. It will be in the default package. I will be discussing what is package class in the separate video. So first, for your sake, we are doing this coding, little bit of coding. The class name is demo one. Yeah, yeah. I think I little bit like forgot the name and convention. So class name is should be like Pascal case. So it will be like demo one. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, you can directly in the Java, all the concepts are like object concepts. No, don't go through the concepts right now because it is little bit confusing. I am not declared discussed anything about the Java. So first, for the sake of Eclipse, we will like Eclipse is working or not. We were testing something, so we will declare main function that is like public static void main. So you can go with the shortcuts. I will be telling you shortcuts, but you can write totally in the typing. Go with the suggestions. I will be discussing shortcuts in the different videos. So yeah, a lot lot of contents like in the different videos. So no issues. I will covering one by one. But the main statement we will write some. What is this language? Yeah, this is Odia. How this changed? Yeah, English. Yeah, we want to write a print statement. So you can go with the shortcut. You can type it. So we will like to write welcome to anybody can code. Welcome to anybody can code. So once it is done, save it. Go to right click and save. I have already saved it. So once you want to run the program, there is a symbol like play button. Click on that. It will run the code, and in the console you can see there is a print welcome to anybody can code. So you can run by different methods also. I will discussing in the codes, different codes in the other sessions. So yeah, this is the thing. This is how to install the Eclipse. I will posting the Eclipse means Eclipse link where to download in the description. So you can download it from there. You can go with the other IDs also. You can watch the YouTube videos. So for me, I will be going all the things in the Eclipse. So better to have Eclipse to better practice hands-on from my video. So that's all. Uh, I was this is just some basic code like print in hello world in the console. So we did print welcome to the anybody can code. So for this video, this will be it. In the next video, we will start what is Java, how Java evolved, what are the keywords, and what are the like shortcuts in the Eclipse IDE. Then we will go to directly logic concepts like basic concepts like for loops, if else conditions, and all what are the variables and all. Then we will go to the ops concept. So next video will be like what are the keywords, what is the Java, how Java evolved, what are the different things in the Java in the different other language, like what are the benefits, what are the like demerits also. So please do like, share and subscribe the channel, and please do watch the videos regularly if you want to learn coding. And please do comment in the comment section what are the things do you need, or is there any improvement to be needed, and any recommendations like in any other languages or anything else. Please do comment in the comment sections, and until next video, please be safe, stay healthy, and Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.